morning. Now welcome back to the second lesson, second session. Okay. In the last session, what we did in the last session? We learned about the indicators. Am I right? What is indicator now? Yes. Indicator is a substance. When some other substance is added to that, then which change the color. Okay. That is nothing but an indicator. Examples of the indicator are turmeric, beetroot are the natural indicators. Many other artificial indicators are also available in the market, but this turmeric is a natural and very well known indicator. In our last class, we discussed about the acids and bases. Do you remember that? Okay, I showed the litmus papers also. Once again, I am repeating this here. See here, this is blue color litmus papers. Blue color litmus papers. Okay. Now it is a red color litmus paper. It is a red color litmus paper. Okay. Now what is acid? How to identify? Suppose in front of us many substances will be there. Okay. How to identify whether it is an acid or a base or a neutral? How to identify? So, with the help of these litmus papers, we can identify whether it is an acid or a base or a neutral. Okay. Now, let us learn the acids and bases now. Okay. Now, see here, acid. Okay. The substance that turns blue litmus to red. That means here, blue litmus turns to red. Let us write on the board now. Okay, now see here. See here. Acid. First we take blue litmus turns to red. Then it is an acid. In short form, Bra. Okay. Now comes to the point of base. Base. The substance that turns red litmus to blue. Here it is blue to red. It is acid. Here it is red to blue. It is a base. Now see here. Again we will write here. See here. Red is going to change into a red is changing to a blue. Then it is a base. Remember these short forms so that easily you can identify whether it is a acid or a base. Now see here. R B B. Got it? BRA means acid. RBB base. Okay. Now see here. Okay. We learned about the acid. We learned about the base. Now some of the substances will not show any changes. What about that then? It is nothing but a neutral. See here. Neutral substance. Some substance did not change any color. That means if you dip in some other substance, it will not at all show any color change. I said just now, blue is changed to red. Red is changed to blue. You will get that out. See here. Here I said that blue turns to red. Okay. If I use red here, if it is an acid, if I use red, there is no change in the paper. Okay. Now here base comes to the point of base. In the base, I am explaining that red changed to blue. Okay. If I use blue here, it will not show any change in the paper. Got the point now? See here about the neutral substance. In a neutral substance, if I use red litmus or if I use blue litmus, it will not show any changes in both the papers. So that is known as a neutral substance. See here. Take out your textbook, page number 11. Open the table 3. Here I got few things to you to show the litmus papers changes. Okay. Note down in the box, page number 11, table 3. First example is orange. Okay, let it be. Now next comes to the point of tomato. I brought tomato to you now. See here. This is tomato. I am cutting. see here. Okay. Now I am taking the litmus papers. This is which litmus paper? Yes, you are right. It is a blue litmus paper. I am taking the blue litmus paper. This is a blue litmus paper strip. Okay. Now see here. I am dipping this litmus paper in a tomato. See? Wow, blue is changed to red. Got the point here? Blue is changed to red immediately. Blue litmus paper is changing to a red here. So, see here, blue is changed to red. Got it here? Blue litmus. Blue litmus changed to red. Then this tomato is a acidic in nature. This tomato is in acidic nature. Okay, now first column and second column. First column is that red litmus turned to blue. Okay, second column, see here, blue litmus changed to red. Second bed in tomato, second column, blue litmus changed to red. Tick it there. Make a tick mark there. See here. That means in your textbook, table 3, second column is a tomato. This is a wrong. Second one is a right and it is a wrong. Okay, that means here tomato. I used a blue litmus paper here. Now I am going to show with a red litmus paper. Now same with the tomato. Okay. Now see here. This is a which paper? Good. This is a red litmus paper. Now I am taking this red litmus strip now. Okay. Now what is this? It's a tomato. In a tomato, again I am using this litmus paper now. Are you finding any change here? Are you finding any change here? See the difference here. See the difference. That means red paper is not at all showing any change here. Only the blue paper is showing the change. That means blue is turned to a red. That means this is blue is changed to a red, then it is acid. Finally, what we can conclude that this tomato is in acidic in nature. So it is changing the blue litmus paper into red. But it is not at all showing the result on the red paper. Now I want to show another example now here. What is this? This is a shampoo. Okay. Now again I am taking the litmus paper. Shall we start with the red paper? Now I am taking this red litmus paper. See here, I am adding a little drop of shampoo to the red litmus paper. I am adding water to that. Now see the change here. Again I will show with the blue paper. This is a blue litmus paper. I am taking one of the strip of the blue litmus paper. Again I am applying the shampoo to this also. am applying water now. Now see here. See here. Blue is as it is, whereas red is changed to little blue color. That means here we are using here base. That means here red litmus is turning into a blue, so it is a base. That means here shampoo is in base. It is a base. That means here red is changing to blue, so it is a base. RBB. So it is a basic in nature. Okay. Now take in your textbook here. Seventh column in the textbook table 3, seventh column, make it a tick mark that it is a blue is as it is. So make a tick mark wrong to the blue, whereas red litmus is changed to blue. That means tick mark here. Got it? Two experiments I showed now. Now here in your table 3 textbook, which are in taste, they all are comes to a acids. Okay, got it? Not that one. Here the table they mentioned no natural one. Orange. Orange in which taste? It is sour in taste. Orange, tomato, vinegar. Next one is buttermilk, milk. Okay, grape juice, lemon juice. Okay, these are comes under acids. Once again I am repeating here. Orange, tomato, okay, vinegar, spirit, buttermilk, milk, lemon juice, grape juice. These are comes under acids. Now comes to the point of base. Okay, base is very soft and smooth and soapy to touch. Once you touch your soap, bathing soap, okay, touch it. It is very soapy to touch. Foam it leather, touch it smooth, soft, jaripotundi. That is in basic in nature. So acids are our natural acids are sour in taste, orange, grapes, and these are the examples of the natural acids, fruits, vegetables. Now comes to the point of base. It is so soft and soapy to touch and slippery. They are nothing but. Now take out your textbook table 3 column. Now see here, soapy to touch in nature are here baking soda. Touch the baking soda. In kitchen lo baking soda touch it once. Very soft and smooth. Baking soda comes under basic in nature. Next I showed just now shampoo. Okay, washing soda is nothing but your detergent powder comes under washing soda also. Next here bathing soap, detergent. These are comes under basic in nature. Okay, now once again I am repeating in table 3. Here basic in nature are here shampoo, washing soda. Next bathing soap, detergent, lime water. Lime water is nothing but a sunnam neelu. Lime water. Lemon water, nimmakai rasam. Lime water, sunnam neelu. These are the differences. Don't confuse that. Lime water and nimmakai neelu kaadu. Lime water, sunnam neelu. Lemon juice comes under nimmarasam. Okay, don't confuse between the lime water and the lime juice. Okay, now these all comes under a basic in nature. Then what about the remaining things in a table? Yes, if some are acid, some are base, automatically remaining comes under neutral substance. Neutral substances are nothing but here neutral substances are our drinking water comes under neutral substances. Next sugar solution. Next some kira, saliva, these are comes under a neutral substances. Okay, now note down these acids and bases and neutral substances in your notebook. Next comes to the point after that here in a textbook page number 11, table 4. After filling these you have to separate the acids substance, basic substance and neutral substance. ఇక్కడ fill చేసేయండి, ఇక్కడ separate చేసేసి fill the table. Okay, now see here, I want to explain the properties of the acids and bases now. Just now I explained that acids are sour in taste, but don't taste it because there are different artificial acids are there. Example, hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid. These are the different types of acids are there. So don't taste that. We can taste the natural one like fruits and vegetable. We can taste it and don't taste the acids. Okay. Artificial acids are the sulfuric acid, hydrochloric acid and nitric acid. These are the artificial acids. Don't touch it, which are very burning. Okay. Now basic substances are very soft to touch, smooth, soft. So they are basic in nature. Now one more point I want to explain that when if ant is bitten by us, చీమ కరిచింది అనుకోండి, why it is a painful? Because ant releases the formic acid into our skin. Okay, immediately it will release the formic acid on our skin, so that it is very painful. If you apply a little bit of shampoo to that, immediately it will be neutral and you will get some relief from the pain. Okay, now and in the ant mouth there is a natural formic acid. Because of that reason, burning sensation and swelling and itching will feel. Formic acid in a ant's mouth. Okay, now here page number 12, table 5. Here they mention few of the acids and the substances. The acids which are present in our daily used items, and here bases present in our daily used substances. See the table 5. Acetic acid, citric acid, butyric acid. These are the acids present in our fruits and vegetables, and here these are the bases which are present in our daily use, like lime water or a base into the calcium hydroxide. Glass cleaner. See here, this is the glass cleaner. In a glass cleaner there is ammonium hydroxide base. Ammonium hydroxide. Soap, sodium hydroxide. Soap plus sodium hydroxide. Glass cleaner వచ్చేసేమో ammonium hydroxide. Lime water సున్నం నీళ్ళలో calcium hydroxide. Milk of magnesium లో magnesium oxide. If you take these acid table, apple, malic acid, tea, tannic acid, olive oil, olic acid, the fats, stearic acid, vinegar, acetic acid. These are the different types of natural acids which are present in fruits and vegetables. These two tables are very very important, and try to learn these tables perfectly. Okay, now see here, note down these things in your classwork and try to revise it perfectly. Learn these things because it is a starting step of the acids and bases lesson. If you go for the further 8th, 9th, 10th classes, they are the very very important and the repeated ones. Okay, remember this lesson is very very important. You have to learn it perfectly. Once again I am recollecting the points here. Acid, acid, blue turns to red, which is acid, BRA. Red turns to blue, then it is a base. Okay, RBB. Okay, now I want to show some of the things here. Okay, again in the next class I'll show one more experiment. Thank you.